What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wonky Vids. I'm posting this video of one of my first drones I bought that I got stuck in a tree. I'm going to add some extra video that I had of that drone too, but mainly I am doing this video only so I can reference it to one of my new videos of the droni boy, the Mavic Mini, that I've only been flying for 2 days now. So enjoy this little video. It's pretty shitty. The camera's shitty. The drone is shitty. But this drone was so much fun. And like I said, this video is just so I can reference back and maybe take a look at my other videos and follow my journey. And if you have the time and if you like these, hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so that you can know when I'm making new videos, because I'm going to do everything I can to make more better content. Thank you for watching.